There's one major problem with the AirPods Pro, and I think I know what Apple should do to fix it. First, I want to let you know what I love about the AirPods Pro. Sound quality is great. They're not too bassy, pretty balanced overall, but I'm not an audiophile. I also love the noise canceling feature. I work as an art director in an open office plan ad agency. Sometimes I just need to focus on what I have to make, and being able to tune everyone out is amazing. It's not 100% canceling out everything, so if my music is on a low enough volume, I can definitely hear if someone's trying to get my attention. I can also switch it the other way and turn on the active listening mode, and then I can definitely hear if someone's trying to get my attention. Now, in terms of the look, it's subjective. I think they look nice. The white is cool mostly because Apple has made white earbuds the thing. I don't love the glossiness. It can show dust and scratches pretty easily. That mixed with the plastic material that they're using can make them feel a little fragile. This next thing is a bit critical of me, but there's a little seam that goes along the edge of the earbuds, and because they're so white and glossy, this seam catches dust fairly easily. Again, I love these things, and most of this is me being hypercritical, but that's still not the number one problem I have with the AirPods Pro. And that is that they don't have a volume rocker on the earbuds themselves. There's a volume rocker on these, but not on these. $250, and there's no way of turning the volume up and down without going like this. Or this. Hey Siri, turn the volume up. Hey Siri, turn the volume up.
Okay, media will play louder.
Or I guess I could just pull my phone out of my pocket and turn the volume up that way, but I think they could fix this pretty easily for the AirPods Pro 2. Check out these regular old EarPods. They have a volume rocker, and the notch in the center here for the center button between the two volume buttons is pretty similar to the notch that's on the AirPods Pro. Now check out the stem on the regular AirPods compared to the Pros. The Pros have a way shorter stem. Now the shorter stem looks good, but not that much better. I think all they need to do is extend the stem slightly on the AirPods Pro and turn this notch into a volume rocker. I'm not an engineer, but this looks like plenty of space to me, and still looks really sleek. Check this out. It doesn't even need to be a mechanical button. Given a little more space on the stem, I bet they could add another force sensor here and another force sensor here, and voila, we have volume. That's what I think they should do, and watch. By the time they release the next AirPods Pro 2, they'll probably come up with an even better solution. But at the very least, we need volume on these things. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below.